Time to rest now. Hey, officer. Looks like something shocking is happening in this general area.
Oh, great. A clown in a costume is just what I need to deal with right now.
Sorry, it's just so rare that I get to use my electricity-based material. I just want to know if I can help. What's the situation?
I came here looking for... I'm trying to keep people away until the utility company shows...
Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man is on the case.
I got a pickpocket over here. I need backup.
How can I help you today?
Guy's been lifting wallets off tourists. I almost had... Did you guys learn your moves from playing video games? It's Spider-Man. Stop, please! Hey, Spidey. Can I have your autograph?
Sure, why not? I could take a 30-second break from crime fighting.
Maybe not.
Oh, man, come on, guys. I'm trying to make friends.
Shut up. Hammerhead wants you out. Oh, no!
That's going to leave a bruise.
You ain't so tough! I thought you said this driver was the best. Whatever, I'm sick of waiting. Let's take the loot and get out of here.
You're right. Let's jet. Come one, come all. For one day only, we've got the sale to end all sales. Don't miss this one or you'll regret it forever. Wow, Spider-Man, what brings you to my humble shop? Here for the sale?
A sale? It must be my lucky day. I do need...
Sure that I got plenty of stuff to make superheroing super easy.
Not a bad stock, right?
Sounds great to me. I just hope you have a hero...
You're unstoppable. I hope the kids are okay.
Please, leave me alone! Help! Somebody help me!
Thanks, Spider-Man. This city could use more heroes like you.
You really are a hero.
Somebody, please, help Spider-Man. I need a doctor, please. Spider-Man,
What happened here?
somebody zapped me. Lola, 3 of us were attacked by some sort of electric. It fried us pretty good. I think you get me some help, and I swear it hurts. I want to live. Please. I never seen anything like it. He was blue. He could control light. I ran fast, but he still tagged me. He got all my comrades. He was untouchable. More powerful than anyone.